Alright, so I made this really cute headband right here, and I'm just going to show you how to do a bind off, just your basic bind off. You're just going to knit your first 2 stitches as if you're knitting the project. And in some patterns, you might bind off in the pattern, like this was a knit 1, purl 1, but I'm just doing it the regular bind off. I'm not binding off in the pattern. So you've knit your first 2 stitches, and then you pull your bottom stitch over your top stitch. Knit your next stitch, pull your bottom stitch over your top stitch. You're just going to do that all the way until you get to the end. And this is just your basic bind off stitch. And then once you get to the end, I'll show you what to do. Then I'm just going to cut the yarn. Of course, I don't have my scissors over here. I should be a little more prepared. Sorry about that. Cut my yarn. I'm going to cut it long enough so that I can sew up the, and then I'm just going to pull it through. And then you're done with your bind off. And then when this is the right side, so I'm going to put the wrong sides together, and then I'm just going to seam up the sides. And that's how you do your just basic bind off.